Hello people, so today we will learn about Google Sheets on iPhone and the way how it works, especially the way how you add an extra rows or extra columns on your Google Sheets documents. So here, open your Google Sheets application and you can just access your documents that you have been prepared and you want to add the extra rows or columns on. And here is the table that I have. I have this balance table or finance table that's contain like 5 columns and several amount of rows, but then here I will let to add additional columns before the date, which is the place for the number. So the thing, if you want to do this, you just need to go click this A side. Now you just need to go click this plus button over here and they will bring you into the insert option. Now you just need to scrolling down. Since we want to add the column, you just need to go click add the column. You can do left or right, it's depend on your need. Since I want to, the new column will be placed before this date column, so I will let to choose the column to left. So you just need to click it. Now I already get the additional column for my documents. It also will be the same for the rows. You just need to place or click this number, this specific number that you want to add the rows. So here I'll let you do it this let's say here the 7. So I would like to add the rows upper or between the cash income and milk. So you just need to go click this plus button and just go click row above, mean that you will get additional rows above of the rows that you just block. You'll see that it's perfectly work. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and see you for the next tutorial.